Okay, let's go to our next subject, strategic partners. Strategic partners are a group of companies, might be manufacturers or suppliers of complementary products, working for each other's benefit. They work on win-win base, and they can also sell each other's product or provide you to the buyers of their products. And they can also collaborate with you on original equipment manufacturer OEM base. Original equipment manufacturer base is manufacturing a product for another company and placing their brand on the product that you are manufacturing, so that company is selling your product under their brand, but the original manufacturer of that product is you. So if you are producing a type of product like spare part, and if a big company wants you to produce for them because they have a wider customer range database, so you can produce in thousands to them, you can just put their label logo on your products, and both you and the end seller company can win from this collaboration. Or let's give another example for strategic partners. Like if you are spare parts of car producer, you are manufacturing spare parts for car. You can directly sell your spare parts to repair centers, or you can sell your parts to automotive manufacturers so they can use your spare parts in their manufacturing processes. Another example is from medical field. For example, you are producing medical consumables, disposables like filters, pipes being used with medical machines. So your end user might be machine sellers. So they can also promote your consumable and disposable with their solution. So they can increase their range of solutions, and they can also sell for you, and you just provide those disposables and consumables to the medical machine producers. I would like to give one more example from industrial machine area. For example, if you're producing emulsion liquid to be used with CNC machines, you can sell your emulsion liquid to fabrics manufacturers to be put into their CNC machines, and or you can also promote your emulsion liquid to CNC machine manufacturers. So you might have different kind of customers which are CNC machine manufacturers directly, or other manufacturers who have CNC machines in their factories. Another benefit of setting a partnership can be shared research and development. For example, if you are providing car spare parts or medical consumables to car producers, to medical machine producers, you can give feedback to them that how can they increase their product machines to get much more benefit from the product being bought from you, or vice versa. They can also show you their feedback that gathered from customer, so they can also help you to increase the quality of your product, your spare parts, your emulsion liquid, or your medical consumables. So they can get more efficiency when they combine your product with their machines, and they will increase customer satisfaction, which will reflect to increase in sales. So in both ways, you and your strategic partner can help each other by sharing their feedback, so you will have a shared R&D that you increase your quality continuously mutually. So now let's go through Google and let's see how we can reach our strategic partners.